Want to learn how to enable voice scan on Snapchat? Thanks to a new feature where you can now speak out loud to search for filters on Snapchat. A voice scan can be enabled in few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I am going to show you how to enable voice scan on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Snapchat on your device. Click on the profile icon at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings icon at the top right of your screen. On the Settings page, scroll downwards under My Accounts, tap on Voice Scan. Move the toggle bar of Voice Scan to right. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to enable voice scan on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.